A local call to re-examine law enforcement protocols. This as the nation grieves the death of a man who died while in police custody in Minnesota. Here's Channel 5's Christian Colon.
From police brutality to racism in our institutions, today Cameron County Judge Eddie Trevino sharing his thoughts on George Floyd's death, saying the county needs to evaluate how they police. It's a day after George Floyd's funeral, but the conversation his death sparked is ongoing. Today, his brother going before Congress, urging a change in laws so that Floyd won't be just another name on the list of black men killed. That conversation also here in the Valley.
Life was extinguished, killed, murdered on live video by the brutality of a law enforcement police officer who showed little to no regard for his life.
Cameron County Judge Eddie Trevino says people need to address evident racism, especially if it involves police.
It's incumbent that if this country really wants to be the greatest country in the world, that if it really wants to be a shining example for what human character is capable of, then we also must be honest and admit the frailties and the defects that human character is also capable of.
Trevino pleading for more positivity and calling out officers who might abuse their power.
Honestly, we've been fortunate. I'm not going to say that there may not be some law enforcement officials locally in the Valley that perhaps shouldn't be, but I think the great majority of them, just like in this country, they take that job and are willing to risk their lives in order to serve and protect. But unfortunately, some of them think that when they put that badge on, that gives them carte blanche or authority to do anything that they want to do. And those are the ones that need to be addressed.
And besides conversation, Trevino stressing the need for action. When asked what needs to change specifically in the county, he says it's time to analyze.
I have been speaking to the sheriff and his staff, and we're going to be trying to put together not necessarily a task force, but reviewing what protocols and procedures we can address at the county, and also working with the local police chiefs and the local municipalities to see what can be changed.
The judge did not announce any details on how or when those plans will unfold. In Brownsville, Christian Colon, Channel 5 News at 6.